9.8 volt. That battery is totally shot. Does it start?
No, nothing.
Nothing. Give her a go. Hello everybody, and welcome back to another great video. We're going to be unboxing the FOXPEED Jump Starter and Power Pack G29. Let's dive into it. Cables, nice short cables and plug-in. Looking good. Got the DC plug-in. USB Type-C charging cable. And I believe this is a 15-watt charging brick. User manual. Wow, look at that. That's nice and sleek. Looks like it's pretty solid. 80% charged. Hey, Sean here, and I got Pete with me today. He's the guy that I had helped jump the truck with a totally dead battery. Welcome, Pete.
Thank you very much, Sean.
He's joining us for the review today on the FOXPEED G29 Jump Starter Pack and Battery Pack. Also comes with the flashlight. Check it out. Turning on the light. You can see it's a pretty good light. Does the job. And some other goodness. Diving into the review today, overall an awesome product. I definitely recommend it. Take a look down in the description below and the comment section, because you will find a discount link there, an affiliate link that will help support my channel. If you also want to support me, watch this video all the way through, leave a like and comment down below. And if you also want to, share it with somebody that might find something like this useful. Because I'll tell you what, it's a really great deal. Right now, it's currently on sale around $55 on Amazon. We're going to start off with jump starting the truck to see if it works great. All right, we just got it plugged in. Here we are. 9.8 volt. That battery is totally shot. What do you say, Pete? Should we plug it in?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Does it start? All right.
0.
I'm going to plug it in. Give her a go. Oh! And of course, as you can see, it definitely jumped the truck without a problem. And what do you think of that, Pete?
Fantastic. Outstanding. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. No hesitation when I turned the key whatsoever, as though there was like 2 batteries starting that car. Phenomenal.
And that battery voltage was at 9.8. We left the truck lights on all night just to make sure it was totally discharged, and boom, it turned his vehicle over while leaving 100% charge on the battery, ready to use for another jump or to charge something up. So it's fantastic. It's doing the job. Blew his mind. Kind of blew mine a little bit too, just because I wasn't expecting it to do so well. And it did very well. The unit didn't even heat up. It was just a total breeze. So moving on here, as you can see in the front, you click that button on, you get a charge percentage on the display. Now, I reviewed one of these units before, the Gulu GP4000, and that one only has a 4-dot display. It doesn't show the percentage. And it also doesn't show the percentage of the battery on the charger either. So 2 thumbs up to that, and a better price. I paid $100 for the Gulu GP4000. Recommend you check that video out on my channel if you're interested in that unit as well. It's under my tech reviews. Link will be down in the description. And of course, it comes with a beautiful case that's very well made. I really like it. I wish more products had this. It didn't even come with the Gulu, so thumbs up to that. Now, one of the caveats I did notice is it did not come with a Type-C to Type-C charger. I wish they would have put that in the box. The other con that I want to mention is that the cord that it comes with is a little bit short. So the issue with that is you're going to need to plug this into your kitchen or somewhere close by where there's an outlet, because this cord length isn't going to cut it. So you're looking at a 3-foot cord would get the job done. Maybe you've got a longer cord, just go ahead and use that, or order one for yourself. And what else I liked about it was the different cable size. If you take a look here, If you take a look here, one of these cables is shorter than the other, and they do this in order to prevent you from contacting these points together. Now, it does have some short circuit protection and other circuit protection features, which I like to see, so thumbs up to that. Very lightweight, very easy to use, very portable, and I do like that. Now, it comes with a little bit of a small but 15-watt charger brick. I estimate it takes about 3 to 3 hours and 30 minutes to fully charge the battery from dead. I recommend keeping the unit between 20 and 100% because it will lengthen the lifespan of the battery. Preferably 20/80 if you can. But if you can't, that's okay too. And if we go ahead and take a look here, we've got the DC charger plug. That also works. So you've got a 12-volt little spot here you can plug in and even connect maybe up to an 80-watt, perhaps even a 100-watt little micro inverter, DC to AC. So that's fantastic too. I did try this out before with some other stuff I have. I did a review on the Jackery 160 where I plugged this in and I was able to get plenty of juice out of it. So this is nice to have if you need to have a little backup power for a DC port. Let's say the one in your vehicle goes out, you can use this now. So that's nice. Maybe you blew the fuse. Don't blow the fuse on this. It's probably rated for about 10 amps. Here on the front of the unit, you can see the opening spot right here. They covered it with a rubber plug to prevent short circuiting. Definitely keep that closed. The blue outlet here for the port, USB port, is 3.0. This one's 2.0. And then, of course, a Type-C 3.0 on the side here next to the DC input. Or excuse me, DC output. This here is kind of different. It depends on which device you have that you're trying to charge. The 3.0, the blue socket here, is supposed to put out more power. I recommend using that one or the Type-C charger on the side for the best output. The black one only typically puts out around a half an amp, but I have seen it hit 1 amp. The other one, on the other hand, when I charged my Xiaomi 10 Ultra, it was able to get out around 1.6 amps. So if you're looking for a good charger for this, I recommend using the blue port or the Type-C port. When I used the OnePlus 7T, these two ports here in the front gave it around an amp each, 1.1 amps, and then the one on the side gave me around 1.5 amps. So you are going to get somewhere between 10 to 15 watts of charge off of each of those ports. It pretty much does what it says, and that's another thumbs up for the unit. Anyway, thanks so much for watching my quick review today on this unit. Keep in mind, this is only 21,000 milliamp hours of battery storage, so you are limited on your capacity. You're probably going to get around 5 full charges on a modern day smartphone, and if you're charging something like an iPad, maybe 2 charges. So keep that in mind because they do have larger battery packs inside them. Overall, love the rugged design, love the case. It does what it's supposed to do, and that's jump the car and charge the phone. If you liked today's review, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below if you're interested in asking me any questions. And if you're interested in my health coaching, go to iCoach4Health.com. You can contact me, and I'd be happy to do health coaching with you. I'm all about that whole foods, plant-based diet. Go vegan, baby. It's great for your health if you do it right, and I'm here to support you. If you want to learn how to eat plant-based, I got you covered. And if you need some help, just contact me. Send me a message. I'm happy to start working with you. Or if you know someone else that needs some help with their health, well, I got them covered too. We'll talk again soon, but one thing I'd like to ask is, Pete, what do you think of my health coaching?
Excellent. 100% excellent.
And why is it excellent?
Knowledge, number one, and your ability to initiate action within an individual.
All right.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you.
You're quite welcome.
You can check out.
Thank you for your coaching.
You're most welcome.
Absolutely. Yeah.
You take care now. Have a fantastic day. And remember, get out in nature. Drink that water and keep taking care of your health.